Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm Paula, who is behind of camicrochetdesigns, and today's tutorial is about how to make this Christmas cone tree. So the supplies you're gonna need are cone number 6. Here you can see the measurements, and this is going to be your small tree. Then you're gonna need cone number 9. Here are the measurements, and this is going to be your medium tree. And here we have the largest cone is 18, and these are the measurements. Also teacher yarn, glue sticks. Please make sure they are for fabric and foam. Glue gun, lights, scissors, and 6mm crochet hook. So well, now let's get started. This project is very easy to make. You just need to crochet a foundation chain. So for the small tree, I did 190 stitches in total. So here, if this is the first time making a foundation chain, you're gonna yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. You need to repeat this process until you reach the length you need or the quantity of stitches you need. As I said before, I worked for the first, for the small tree, I just made 190 stitches in total. Okay, once you get the length you need, in this case I'm working with a small tree, I reached the 190 stitches. So you're going to identify which is the back of your chain. In the chain, this is the back of it. Can you see this? And this is the front of the chain. So I'm gonna work facing the back side of the chain. So for this time, I'm gonna work with a small cone. That's gonna be my small tree. So grab your cone number 6, which is going to be the small tree or the small cone tree, and start to glue it. And start wrapping with the yarn around the cone. I recommend to use glue just for the first 2 rounds of yarn. Then you don't need to glue it. Okay, maybe at the end you're gonna need to make more stitches. This is going to depend if you keep the same tension at the moment when you are pulling the yarn. Sometimes you're gonna need to make more stitches, or maybe you're not, so it depends. Okay, it's gonna depend on the tension, and it's gonna depend on the width of the yarn. So, but in the case you need to make more stitches, just do it. And close to the last round, you can start gluing the yarn. This is just to make sure it won't come loose from the cone. Now you can cut the yarn and glue the tail. So well, look at this. This is how it turned out. It's super cute. So well, now if you want to do the same as I did, you can add lights. So you can find these lights at Michael's store. So remember to place the batteries. You're gonna need 3 of them. Now you can start wrapping the lights around the cone in this way. Now remember, and you have to repeat this process with the rest of the cones. So at the beginning of the video, you can find the total of stitches I made for each of the trees. And this information is gonna be just like a reference for you, because as I said before, the total of the stitches are gonna depend on the tension and the yarn width. So look at this. This is so cute. I love this project. It's super cute. and it's super easy to make. You don't need to be, you know, like an advanced crocheter to be able to do this. So well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Well, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.